BSM is a pharmaceutical sterile drug manufacturing company that produces injectable drugs for pharmaceutical and biotech companies. We work with new drugs in clinical trials that may become life-saving medications. In 5 years, BSM has grown to 150 well-paying careers with excellent benefits including insurance, health, dental, vision, disability, and life, tuition reimbursement, vacation, bonus, and on-site subsidized daycare. BSM donated a 5-year rent-free lease to the Lee Youth Association so they could expand daycare openings for the local community. With state-of-the-art equipment and technologies, BSM has become recognized as a leader in sterile injectable drug manufacturing. We have just completed a significant expansion of our facility and plan an additional $20 million expansion through 2020 and early 2021. We are pleased to be part of the Berkshire community.